Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use feather edge in Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop. Then we need first selection around the subject. Select the magic on tool and selection this. Go to the select menu, click on the inverse. Then background layer, copy. Click on the mask icon and make a solid color black. Here we see hard edge. Now we convert hard to smooth edge. Right click on the layer, change the color white and follow the process. Now we make a smooth edge. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe for more videos.